What's up, y'all? So I'm here to do a taste test on this cabbage soup. It has potatoes and sausage. But let me let you in on a little secret. This is actually a vegan vegetable soup, and it's made by A Good Day to Be Black and Vegan. She also provided me with, I already been off of this, yeah. She also provided me, I actually pinched off this morning when I got it from her when I was in the car. This corn cake or cornbread muffin, what have you. I'll just tell you guys now, this was really fire. Like, number one, I cannot stand dry, grainy, and salty cornbread. You know, the kind that just turns to dust and it's just salty. It has no flavor. Anyway, this is soft and moist and sweet. And it reminds me of like, almost like right after the corn cake is not, you know, it's not a corn cake and it turns into a muffin. Like when you go to like the Mexican restaurants and they have like a side of corn cake, it's like really soft and it's sweet. Well, it tastes like that. It's soft, but it's not as soft as corn cake. Fire. But I do want to try this this soup here. So this is vegan sausage or hot dog, I don't know. And then we have potatoes, cabbage. I think this is a carrot here. So let's give it a try. I hope it's not too hot. I don't burn my mouth on camera. Oh, and I see green peppers. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna get this potato, this cabbage. All right, here we go, y'all. This is good. It tastes like a really good flavorful vegetable soup. I don't feel like I need to add anything. I feel like the only thing I would add is like some cayenne pepper because I absolutely love spice. But that's the only thing. I don't need any salt, any garlic, anything. The texture of the meat reminds me of like a meatball. That's the texture that I'm getting. But the flavor is cool. I guess because I know it's not meat, you know, it don't taste like meat, but it does taste like meat, if that makes any sense. Like if I didn't say it, then I probably wouldn't know that it wasn't meat. I think it's like some type of ground beef or something like that. But it has a good flavor to it. It's really good. The potatoes are tender. Go ahead, Couture girl. Go on now. I told her she need to open up a restaurant, but she don't want to listen to me. The cabbage is tender. It's not too mushy, but it's not hard. I mean, all the flavors merged together wonderfully, and I love the tomato base that it's in. It's really good. I would definitely get this, and I would pay for this at a restaurant. Now, you already know, just like how I do chili, I like my cornbread or my crackers on the spoon with the food. Girl, you put your foot in this. This is really good, y'all, for real. But that was it. Only I would add for me is cayenne pepper because I love spice. But it doesn't need any like salt or anything. It's really good. And this is something really nice, warm, and comforting for the upcoming cold ass, regular ass months in St. Louis. Yeah. Then you go ahead and put y'all order in for her vegetable soup. It's vegan. And also her corn muffins are vegan as well. She also made a cheesecake something. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I already tore into it. And you know what? It gives me, it's vegan as well. So it has no animal products at all. But it's giving me carrot cake vibes. That's what I'm getting off of it. I guess there was a cheesecake something, I can't remember. But it's really moist and good. And it has a nice, it's not too rich, which I like because I can't stand stuff that's entirely too rich. But it's really good. I don't know if that's icing or what it is on the top. But I mean, it just marries together perfectly. It really does. It tastes like carrot cake to me. Yeah. So anyways, y'all need to holler at A Good Day to Be Vegan. Follow her page because she has some good info about vegan, about the vegan lifestyle. And she's going to be opening up a restaurant here soon. Messing with me. Bye.